Good morning students. In the previous class we have learnt about area and perimeter in the measurement chapter. In today's class we are going to learn about pathways. In this section we are going to calculate the area of the pathways around a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangular field with a footpath around it. The width of the footpath is W. Including the footpath, the rectangular field becomes a larger rectangle A, B, C, D with length L plus 2 times of the width and breadth is B plus 2 times of the width. So area of the footpath is calculated by using the formula area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle PQRS, that is area of the bigger rectangle minus the area of the smaller one. Let us solve the examples. Example 1. A rectangular garden 40 meter long and 30 meter broad. A footpath of width 3 meter runs outside the garden. Find the area of the footpath. It is given in the question that there is a rectangular garden 40 meter long and 30 meter broad. A footpath of width 3 meter runs outside the garden. It's given that there is a footpath of 3 meter runs outside the garden. Now we have made two rectangles. One is P, Q, R, S. So this is a area of the garden. So there is a footpath of 3 meter width running outside this garden. So now we have made another rectangle. We can mark this as A, B, C, D. Now in the question they ask you to find this area of the footpath. How do we calculate this area of the footpath? Yes, you have to find the area of the bigger rectangle, that is A, B, C, D. Then area of the smaller rectangle P, Q, R, S. Subtract that area of ABCD minus PQRS. You will get the value of this area of the footpath. Is it clear, children? Yes. First, let us find the area of the rectangle. PQRS. It's given that its length is 40 meter and its breadth is 30 meter. What is the formula to find area of the rectangle? Yes, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B square units, which is equal to length is 40 and breadth is 30. Here the unit is meter. It is square units, no? So you have to write it as meter square. What will be the answer? Yes, which is equal to 1200 meter square. Step 2, you have to find the area of the outer rectangle, that is ABCD. Area of the rectangle ABCD. CD. So for this, how do we calculate the length and breadth of this outer rectangle ABCD? The length of the inner rectangle is 40 meter and the width of the path is 3 meter. So this side the width of the footpath is 3 meter and here also it is 3 meter. So the outside rectangle it will be 40 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 46 meter. Similarly, the breadth of the rectangle. So the breadth of the rectangle ABCD is calculated by the breadth of the inner rectangle is 30 plus the width of the footpath of both the sides we have to add. So 30 plus 3 is equal to 36 meter. So the length is 46 meter and the breadth is 36 meter. So the area of the rectangle, the formula is L into B square units. Length is 46 into breadth is 36 meter square. You get the answer as 1656 meter square. So what is the formula to find the area of the footpath? So area of the footpath is calculated by area of the outer rectangle, that is area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of the inner rectangle. So area of the inner rectangle is area of the rectangle PQRS. Now you can substitute the value. So the area of the rectangle ABCD is 1656 meter square minus area of the rectangle PQRS is 1200 meter square. So what will be the answer? Yes, that is 456 meter square. So area of the footpath is 456 meter square. Is it clear, children? Yes. Exercise 3.4. First question. A rectangular garden is 80 meter long and 60 meter broad. A path of width 4 meter runs around it outside. Find the area of the path. So there is a rectangular garden of length is 80 meter and the breadth is 60 meter. So there is a path of width 4 meter runs around it outside. So the path is 4 meter runs outside the garden. So the inner rectangle is your garden. We can take this one as PQRS. So there is a footpath of 4 meter runs outside the garden. The outer rectangle we can take it as A, B, C, D. What they ask you to find? Yes, here they ask you to find the area of the path. How do we calculate the area of the path? Yes. First you have to find the area of the outer rectangle and then we have to find the area of the inner rectangle. So area of the footpath is calculated by using the formula area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Area of the inner rectangle PQRS is calculated by using the formula length into breadth square units. Here it's given that the length is 80 and the breadth is 60. The unit is meter. So you have to write it as meter square. This is a square unit, so you have to write it as meter square. So what will be the value here? Yes, this is 4800 meters square. What is the next step? Yes, we have to calculate the area of the outer rectangle. That is ABCD. The formula is length into breadth square units. The length of the inner rectangle is 80 meter. Then what will be the length of the outer rectangle? Yes, if you take that inner rectangle as small l, now we can take that length of the outer rectangle as capital L. So here the inner rectangle length is 80 and 2 times of this width. So which is equal to 4 plus 4 is 88 meter. Similarly, the breadth of the inner rectangle is 60 meter and the width is 4 meter of this side and 4 meter of this side. So you have to add both the sides. So you will get 68 meter. (88 into 68). The unit is meter. So you have to write it as, this is a square unit. So meter square. You will get the answer as 5984 meter square. So when you multiply this 88 and 68, you will get the answer as 5984 meter square. Now we have to calculate the area of the footpath. What is the formula to calculate the area of the footpath? Yes, area of the footpath is equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Which is equal to, the outer rectangle, the area is 5984 meter square and the area of the inner rectangle is 4800 meter square. So when you subtract these two numbers, you will get the answer as 1184 meter square. So area of the footpath is equal to 1184 meters square. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a quick recap of what we are learnt in today's class. How do we calculate the pathway around a rectangle? Yes, first we have to find the area of the outer rectangle, then find the area of the inner rectangle. So the area of the footpath is equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. If the inner rectangle length is given, the outer rectangle length is calculated by the length of this inner rectangle plus 2 times the width. Similarly, the breadth of the outer rectangle is calculated by the breadth of the inner rectangle plus 2 times the width. So the area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle is the area of the footpath. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.